Your Excellencies, leaders of participating countries, and heads of international organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, friends. It gives me great pleasure to gather with you today in Shanghai, the beautiful Oriental Pearl, for the grand opening of the 6th China International Import Expo. At the outset, I would like to extend, on behalf of the Chinese government, a warm welcome to all our guests coming from afar, and hearty greetings to friends old and new. Five years ago today, President Xi Jinping announced open the first CIIE on this very stage. The congratulatory message sent by President Xi to this year's CIIE reaffirms China's unwavering determination to advance high-level opening up and foster an open world economy. Since 2018, as the world's first national-level exposition dedicated to imports, the CIIE has kept to its founding mission of opening up China's market and sharing China's opportunities with the world, and actively connected China to the rest of the world. It has played a stronger role as a major platform for international procurement, investment promotion, cultural exchange, and open cooperation, and established itself as an international public good for the world to share.